Hello everybody and welcome to Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Patrick. At first you go and soften the knife and then just put it back because you don't need it. Anyways, today we're making some chicken fries with some tuna fish. Delicious. Anyways, we're gonna start off with 2 cans of tuna fish. And of course the chicken fries. Then you want to have to pull out some salsa and mayonnaise. Obviously either one of these is optional. Get a can opener and open up the tuna fish. Anyways, you're gonna want to pull out a bowl of any kind, just make it big enough. Get a fork or a spoon, doesn't matter. Just put the tuna fish in the bowl. Opened up some tuna fish on the bus once and everybody started crying because of how bad it smelled. It was pretty funny, but everybody started hating me. Anyways, while that's being mushed up, it did not sound good, unlike ASMR. So I just sped it up and I'm talking right now just to fill in the time. So yeah, And this is how the tuna fish felt when they were getting captured.
Don't be racist. I am a building.
But anyways, before I keep doing this and add the salsa and mayonnaise, let's start the cooking of the chicken fries. Take out a plate, put however much chicken fries you like on there. That's good enough. Spread them out so they cook pretty much all evenly. Now you're gonna take the chicken fries, take them over to the microwave. Super professional, but man, y'all thought the microwave. Like I said, cook however long you want to. And go. Anyways, while it's cooking, let's finish off our tuna fish. Hold in. Get the salsa. Pour however much you want in. Don't want too much. It's good. Because it can make the bread soggy. Obviously, unless you toast it, but I don't do that. And my toast is broken. Then mayonnaise. For your tuna fish, I'm making a sandwich. Oh, the chicken fries are done. Now they were not fully done, so I put them in for another minute. So like it was just a little bit more time. We're just gonna want to get the bread out of the fridge. Whatever bread you use, it does not matter. I like this. It's cold. Just the way I like everything else. Any of those spaghetti things and everything, I eat those cold, but I do not warm them up at all. Chicken fries are done. They're perfect. Just need to kind of put them to the side to cool them down. And remember, always keep your station clean. It's actual fact. I got it from Ratatouille.
Rev up those fryers.
Anyways, put it on.
If you don't want so much on your sandwich, you don't have to put it all on. Just save for later, or you can just...
I'm wrapping this up with some plastic. Anyways, everything is done. Just need to get some ketchup. Put your ketchup down, or if you like to put them on top, a lot of people like doing that. And then put your ketchup on the sandwich. Oh shit, I'm not that crazy. Anyways, you got yourself a meal with whatever drink you have. That is bon appetit.